What's going on, Quick Game, man? You got your boy Quana Don coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. And today, as y'all seen the title, man, I finally got the pack in. I finally got the pack in from Supreme release, FW20 week 7. I finally got my package in, man. We're gonna get straight into that video, man. And I'm gonna do that first reaction to it because I haven't even opened the pack yet. But before we do that, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as ringing that notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest videos. But without further ado, we're gonna get into that unpackaging, man. So any minute now, my pack could be dropping in. Okay. Well, what an entrance. About time I got it, man. So I finally got that pack in, man. I finally got this in, man. So we're gonna do an unbagging, unpackaging, and we're gonna see what's in it together. You feel me? Like, I haven't even opened it yet, man. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm excited, man. Finally got the package I was waiting for. I'm waiting on a few other pieces. Man. But due to shipping issues, man, I got a delay on it, man. I just got it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But anyway, we're gonna do an unpackaging on it, man. I don't have a pocket knife or nothing like that, so we just gonna have to G it out. You feel me? You gotta thug it out. Alright, so I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I wanna see it. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited for it. Okay. Come on now. I know y'all gonna give me something else. Alright, so I guess y'all wanna give me a simple sticker for my purchase. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. I guess. Well, I got 2 of them, which is still dope. I got 2 of the Supreme stickers, man. Whatever. Wish y'all gave me a little more for purchasing what y'all. I did. I think we're gonna sit that right there. But as you can see in the packaging, don't know if you can see it, man, but I did get that that Supreme Futura, which I don't know why I'm opening it like that. Oh, oops. I'm kind of like tearing the bag apart when I could just open it the simple way, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of just ripped my bag because I definitely ain't gonna take this out anytime soon. But I got that Supreme Futura crew neck, man, which is dope. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be dope. So I am copying a few other pieces from them as well. As you can see, I am happy with my purchase. I'm saying, so I'm gonna try to get some more videos on here for y'all, man. Clothing hauls, show y'all some outfits, do some other stuff, man. We gonna go up. Don't worry, we gonna go up, man. We gonna go up for sure, man. I ain't just stopping with the sneakers, you know what I'm saying? We gotta work our way into it. Just chill. But yes sir, man. Definitely happy with the purchase, man. Definitely happy with the purchase. It's nice and soft, and I'm digging it, man. It's gonna be nice. You know, winter is on the way. Winter is on the way, so you know I'm gonna pop out with it for sure. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it cost me. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all can go look it up yourself. Look up the prices yourself. Like, the retail prices ain't about the price, man. I liked it and I saw it and I got it. But anyway, we do got some other stuff, man, which I didn't just get this stuff, but I mean, I like when I get new stuff or new clothing or whatever, man, because you know what I'm saying, like I say, man, you just go ahead and, you know, you just show what you can get it going with, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, like, that'll be dope. Like, come on, you feel me? Like, that's dope. Y'all feeling it? Y'all feeling it? That'll be dope, man. That'll be a nice dope little, you know what I'm saying? That'll be dope with it. I got some other shoes, man, but I'm not gonna pull all of them out. However, I just pulled the ones that I felt like would be perfect with it. You know, and if you know, you know. or should we do the fives, man? The fire reds. How y'all feeling, man? Which pair y'all like better with it? Which pair y'all like better, man? Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know, man. Which pair y'all like better with it, man? Definitely how I'm coming for the holidays in the wintertime. I'm getting my sweaters and my crew necks and all that ready, you feel me? For the holiday season, man. So y'all let me know how I'm coming. But anyway, that was the video, man. That was the video. I just wanted to do that unpackaging with y'all, man, because I was excited. I got the packaging and I got more to come, man. So I'm also gonna be opening those with y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Hit that bell, man. Hit that bell, man. And like the video, man. Like the video. And if you don't like me or you don't like what I purchased, dislike the video, man, and get the hey, you know what I mean, man. But I'm gonna end this thing on a good note. I'm not gonna get into that, man. As I say and as I always say, man, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my souls. Even though we ain't got souls right now, we got the Futura Supremes crew neck sweater. But we out, man.